Arara paapon dagiti agayan ayat wenno ag partner ti na isang sangayan akalaysa wenno dream wedding dagitoy. Adu ti pakakumikuman ken mayurno sakbay a masayangkat ti formal a panagtipon dagiti couples. Ditoy lokalidad ket adda itan iti maikalimang edisyon ti bridal fair nga inorganisa ti Baguio Country Club kabinadang da ti Baguio Weddings and Events Suppliers Organization. May matangan ditoy dagiti nagduduma a grupo dagiti negosyante nga daan forte wenno espesyalista para iti nakipatungpal ti naragsak ken na isang sangayan akalaysa. Ti talungal daw nga event ket tarigagayda nga italo ti umno ken nasayod nga preparasyon iti nakasayangkat iti wedding. Babaan kadagiti grupo wenno negosyo ang mangipaay iti pagkasapulan dagiti agayan ayat. Manipod iti interior design, program flow, taraon, banda wenno entertainment, make-up, dagiti kawas wenno pado ang maaramat manipod iti groom, brides ken entourage, wedding cakes, documentation team para iti photo ken video ken daddumapay.
The BCC hosted and organized a bridal fair with the theme Baguio Ever After is on its 5th year, and we started this event so that we can showcase not only Baguio Country Club but even the suppliers for weddings and events that are Baguio suppliers. No? Hindi na at least kukuha yung mga nagbubook ng mga weddings and events from Manila. So it's a partnership between BCC and Bueso, and it has been growing since after the 5 years, no? For 5 years now. Right now, yung event has enticed more than 200 couples this year to book for their wedding for this year and next year. And last year was just over 100. So lumalaki siya. So we'd like to dub this event as the most prestigious and largest bridal fair in the country. And we're fortunate to partner with the Bueso and the other suppliers for weddings and events.
Sir, ano po yung lagi pong na-feature dito po sa mga bridal fair po rin?
Well, equal opportunity is provided to everyone. And ang kagandahan sa Bueso, they refer each other to other potential clientele. So hindi yung porket nag-book lang sa'yo, halimbawa meron na pong sariling service and products, kung meron pang kailangan yung clientele na nag-book sa akin, I can refer it to other suppliers that are part of this activity right now. So collaborative siya, tulungan siya. So the objective there is that everybody benefits.
Sir, anong reaction ng mga couples? Kasi dati ang practice talagang sila yung burden ng planning. Ngayon na meron na po ito, ano po yung nagiging reaction po nila? Dahil ang ganda po ng... Kasi all-in-one na po ito, sir.
That's correct. Siguro naabutan natin pareho yun, no? Na, nung tayo kinasal, tayo lang.
Yes, sir.
Wala tayong binubook or ini-engage na wedding planner. Ang nauso to nung 90s na. And it became a bigger service industry this 21st century, and especially now. So it becomes easier for couples to book their weddings and don't have to worry about the details of getting through their wedding event. There's somebody to fix everything for them. So malaking malaking tulong sa mga couples that have been doing this for so many years now.
Sir, gaano na po kalaki itong grupo ninyo?
Well, right now we have more than 40 plus booths that have participated this year. We started like over a dozen lang when we began this bridal fair. Now it's getting bigger in terms of participation of wedding planners and suppliers, and as far as the booking of couples for events here in Baguio City, dumoble din. So now we're like looking at more than 200 couples that are booking for their wedding and event dito sa Baguio City.
Sigun mo iti Baguio Tourism Council, dakkel ti naipaay ti bridal fair ama isa-isayang katunggal tawan para itipan na kay talo ti turismo iti City of Pines no sa dino mabigbigbig ita ti Baguio City kas wedding destination iti Pagilian. Malaksid ti may panpanakkel a napintas a klima ken ti kumpleto nga serbisyo ken supplies nga jajaya ti Baguio Weddings and Events Suppliers Organization ket agtultuloy iti panagado dagiti kayatda a may kalaysa ditoy syudad ti Salen.
You know, ang Bueso is a member of the Baguio Tourism Council. So, yung mga suppliers, yung mga hotels natin and restaurants, ang number one na makikinabang dito, no? So, gaano kalaki? Alam mo, hindi pa tayo nag-open, 204 na ang nag-register na kakasal from the outside. So, after nito, thousands yan. So, imagine all this mga ikakasal coming up to Baguio. It's going to help. Kaya maganda yung mga ganitong events. They look forward to these events. May discount ka kasi. And then you put together, hindi ka na kailangan umikot. Parang puntahan mo na lang ang bawat supplier. And it will be good for Baguio, whether we like it or not. Except for the traffic, of course.
Ma'am, and the awareness of yung tao kasi noon traditionally sila ang burden of the couple, ngayon hindi na po.
Hindi na. Dati pag ikakasal ka, iisa-isahin mong mag-search. Ngayon, pagka mo dito, lahat kompleto na to the last detail.
Ma'am, why won't you invite, ma'am, yung mga soon-to-be couples na bisitahin po
Yes,
dito?
we invite again, although we have invited so all of them in wedding magazines and wedding interviews to choose Baguio as a destination. And we have the best suppliers in Baguio. You don't need to get from the outside. We have Excalibur fashion designers, events coordinators, and ang ating mga hotels and MICE. We have the best in Baguio.
Alright. Para iti Bombo Sports Fun and Fitness, Bombo Jordan Tablac, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo. Good morning, Philippines.